My name is Bob Spadafora, Senior Executive Officer, Rail Fleet Services. LA Metro provides bus and rail service to LA County. I'm in charge of the trains. My roles and responsibilities consist of managing and maintaining the rail fleet, which is the 350 cars. We use a lot of paper. Doing our inspections, our daily inspections, like I said, the 300 something cars we put out a day. That's a lot of paper that has to be written up. So what we're trying to do is cut down on the paper. I also want consistency in what we get. A lot of times you have to interpret people's scribbles, which is difficult. We get more of a standard thing with this app. I'm also able to keep all the information in one location. The Connixt approach is they took our inspections, our intervals, everything that we write and put it into the app. So there was really no guesswork, no training involved. Instead of using a piece of paper, we're using the app. Before, the guy would have to physically get all the information and go to a kiosk and then transmit the information from the paper to the computer where you can lose information. Here, everything's not lost. Everything is done the same way, but it's all done electronically, and it's just the way to go. When the supervisor does the assignments, he or she would have to print out all this paperwork, write on there who's going to get what job, and then hand it out on their daily meetings that they have every morning with the group. Now they assign everything in the app, car number, what he's got, what inspection it is, everything is in the app, everything is done. He doesn't have to print anything out, doesn't have to reassign it. It's a much simpler process, a lot simpler, again, less paper, things much more efficient for our operation moving forward. I recommend Connixt iMarq for a couple of reasons. One, they were very responsive to what we were asking them to do. There was never a task that was too big for them. They basically went out of their way to make sure that their product matched what we wanted to do. And I think that was a key element in getting this thing done.